To begin, sit up straight yet comfortably. Relax your arms into a comfortable position and close your eyes. If it helps, place one hand on your chest and the other on your stomach. Breathe in slowly and deeply so that your stomach expands, not your chest. Breathe out slowly and naturally. Continue this deep, diaphragmatic breathing throughout this exercise. As you breathe in, feel the breath enter the body. As you breathe out, feel the air exiting the body. Keep your focus on your breath. Drop all stories of what's happened so far today or in the past, and any thoughts about what might happen later. Nothing else matters right now. Just let them go. Be here now, breathing. If you choose, you can pick those stories up again when we're done. Just breathe. In and out. The mind will wander. That's okay. Just bring attention back to your breath when you notice it's gone astray, and don't judge yourself about it. Now, breathe in and out 10 times. Count to yourself as you do this. In, out, 1. In, out, 2, and so on. Keep going until you reach 10. When you're done, slowly open your eyes.